If you run a small business in the United States and hire workers quietly, this case should worry you. A Gujarati businessman from West Virginia, Rajesh Patel, has been sentenced in a serious immigration fraud case. And the message from US authorities is very clear. Helping undocumented workers can now cost you a jail time, money, and your future. So, what really happened? Well, Rajesh Patel owned a store in West Virginia. Between November 2020 and September 2024, he knowingly employed an undocumented Gujarati worker named Akash. Well, Akash was paid entirely in cash, had no work permit, and no legal status in the United States. Patel didn't just give him a job, well, he supported him. Well, here's a surprising part that he drove Akash to the work and from work to home every single day. He paid his rent, he brought groceries, and most importantly, he helped arrange a fake marriage so that Akash could apply for a green card. Patel later admitted in court that he knew Akash was illegal and still hired him. He also admitted that he had not paid any taxes on his salary. Now comes the shocking and the dramatic turn. Akash overstayed his visa and married an American woman only to apply for a green card under VAWA, well, claiming an abuse. But investigators found that the couple never lived together and the marriage was completely fake. During Akash's interrogation, Rajesh Patel's name was surfaced. Evidences show that Patel helped finance and fake marriage and was fully aware of the fraud. Well, talking about Akash, he was sentenced 2 years in the prison in October 2025. And the women involved in this fake marriage, and they were actually both bothered and punished. Rajesh Patel, on the other hand, was sentenced to 3 years of federal probation and 1 lakh USD fine. His wife, Avni Patel, also pleaded guilty to employing an illegal immigration and will be sentenced in January 2026. The couple had already spent the time in jail before sentencing, and this case has sent shockwaves through Gujarati businessmen and the Gujarati community across the United States. For years, some owners believed that paying workers in cash, providing housing, or helping the papers was harmless or even a social service. But US laws see it in a very different way. If the employer is undocumented, deportation is possible and almost at any time. If the employer is a green card holder, citizenship can be blocked. And even the US citizenship can face jail, fines, and criminal records. Sources say many business owners are now changing their hiring practices, refusing workers without permits, paying salaries officially, and avoiding anyone whose ICE issues a courtroom date. Now comes a question. Was Rajesh Patel really helping someone in need, or knowingly breaking the US law for its profit? And hand in hand comes another question. Should the community loyalty ever come before the law? Tell us what you think in the comments.